Imagine this. You find yourself deep in the heart of a financial jungle, surrounded by dense foliage and uncertainty. As you navigate through the chaos, hidden traps emerge, and suddenly, fees jump out at you like relentless predators. It's at this critical moment that Tony Robbins, our intrepid guide through the financial wilderness, steps in. Picture him as your financial safari leader, armed with knowledge and insights to help you dodge these monetary traps. Fees, after all, are like the pesky mosquitoes of the financial jungle, irritating, unpredictable, and no one wants to be caught unaware. If you're new to Wealthway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, why embark on this journey alone when you can have financial superheroes by your side? Tony Robbins has gone the extra mile, interviewing legends of finance like Carl Icahn, Paul Tudor Jones, Kyle Bass, and the unparalleled Ray Dalio. These financial titans aren't just guides. They're the superheroes of the money maze, each possessing unique powers and strategies. Tony delves into their minds, extracting pearls of financial wisdom, so we, the financial adventurers, can learn how to not just survive, but thrive in the intricate twists and turns of the money jungle. So fasten your seatbelt because with Tony Robbins and his League of Financial Superheroes, you're about to embark on an epic journey through the uncharted territories of finance, where the secrets of survival and success await discovery. Takeaway number 1. Embarking on the financial expedition. Let's dive deeper into takeaway number 1, the thrilling adventure of ascending the mountain of financial freedom. Think of this journey as a daring expedition, akin to scaling Everest, only with the luxury of fewer frozen toes. Establishing financial security becomes your essential base camp, providing the necessary sustenance for survival in the unpredictable terrain of personal finance. Now, envision the pinnacle of absolute financial freedom, a metaphorical summit where you can leisurely chill with a cocktail in hand. Tony Robbins, our experienced guide through this financial wilderness, encourages you to embark on this thrilling journey armed with knowledge. He recommends a strategic approach. Calculate your financial independence number, likened to discovering a treasure chest at the peak. Gear up for the exhilarating climb and get ready to conquer your Everest of financial freedom. Takeaway number 2. Turbocharging your financial ascent. Alright, fellow financial enthusiasts, brace yourselves for takeaway number 2, the need for speed in your financial ascent. After all, who wants to spend a lifetime climbing when there's an express lane to success? Tony Robbins, the financial acceleration maestro, shares 5 turbocharged tips to expedite your climb. First in line, the tried and true tactic of saving more. Consider it an upgrade to your financial climbing gear, ensuring you're equipped for the long haul. Second, the art of earning more. Because why settle for a basic base camp when you can luxuriate in a tent at the financial peak? Third, the game-changing move of reducing fees and taxes. Imagine climbing with a lighter backpack. Suddenly, the journey becomes way more manageable. Moving on to tip number 4, the quest for better returns. It's like uncovering a secret shortcut up the financial mountain. And finally, the transformative advice to change your life and lifestyle. Because sometimes, the best view isn't from the peak you expected, but from an entirely different mountain. Buckle up, it's time for a financial joyride. Takeaway number 3, unraveling the marvels of the All Seasons portfolio. Let's embark on a more in-depth exploration of takeaway number 3, the unveiling of the All Seasons portfolio, a financial masterpiece celebrated as the Swiss Army knife of strategic plans. It's not just a mere tool. It transforms into your steadfast companion, an indispensable guide through the labyrinthine twists of the financial wilderness. Imagine it as the Swiss Army knife of financial instruments, unassuming in its simplicity, yet profoundly effective in ensuring you're never left stranded in the unpredictable terrain of the financial landscape. This portfolio, curated with finesse by the financial maestro Ray Dalio, is nothing short of enchanting. It's as if he's sprinkled a bit of magic into the mix, creating an all-encompassing solution for the ever-changing tides of the market. Just as a pro snowboarder effortlessly navigates down a slope, the All-Seasons portfolio allows you to glide through market fluctuations with comparable ease and finesse. Consider it your secret weapon in the financial battlefield. Reliable, adaptable, and poised for action regardless of the financial weather forecast. The All-Seasons portfolio isn't just a strategy, it's a comprehensive approach to financial resilience. So envision yourself strapping on a financial snowboard, ready to carve through the peaks and valleys of the market with unwavering confidence. With the All-Seasons portfolio by your side, you're not merely an investor, you're a financial virtuoso, ready to conquer whatever the market throws your way. Takeaway number 4. Safeguarding your financial skydive. Now, let's delve into takeaway number 4, where income takes the spotlight, featuring the cautionary tale of Al and Anthony. Picture this: Anthony, investing without a safety net, finds himself free-falling into the uncertainties of retirement. Cue the annuity, your financial parachute in the skydiving adventure of life. It might seem like an extra precaution, something you may not think you need. But when the unexpected happens, you'll be grateful it's there to soften the landing. An annuity isn't just an investment, it's a risk management tool, an agreement with an insurance company that ensures a steady income stream. Consider it your financial safety net, especially when the winds of market volatility are blowing hard. So whether you're a financial daredevil or a cautious planner, having the annuity parachute ready might just be the smartest move you make in this financial skydiving escapade. Takeaway number 5, the art of happy spending. Moving on to takeaway number 5, the delightful pursuit of happiness through spending. Scientifically proven. Think of money as the magical ticket to a fantastic treehouse of joy. Investing in experiences becomes your passport to a world of memories, far more valuable than any possession. Buying time for yourself is like reclaiming moments from the clutches of routine, transforming your days into a canvas for your passions. And let's not forget the joy of investing in others. Not only does it make you happier, but it also creates a sense of abundance in your life. So get ready to sprinkle your financial magic dust and create a life filled with joy, experiences, and maybe even that fantastic treehouse you've been dreaming of. After all, money might not grow on trees, but it sure can help you build the happiest treehouse in town. So, fellow financial explorers, calculate those numbers, grab your financial machetes, and let's trek through the jungle of money together. Remember, the goal isn't just reaching the summit, it's about having a blast on the way up. We appreciate you being a part of Wealthway today. We're dedicated to helping you achieve financial success, and we hope you've gained valuable insights from this episode. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay in the loop for our upcoming content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until our next encounter, continue on your journey to financial prosperity, because here at Wealthway, we're confident that your wealth is well within your reach.